Viewers, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is Shravan Lingam, and this is in continuation of our CurieTech AI for MuleSoft. You might have already seen the thumbnail. So, CurieTech AI is excited to announce a new feature that is like one-stop place for all the agents. So, without wasting time, let me quickly show you what it is. So, once we log in, uh, you can see that earlier, when you click on this home screen, you might have seen like we have multiple agents like coding agents, testing agents, documentation agents, coding insights, and migration. But now CurieTech AI has become more smarter, more simpler, and stronger. So you can see your the new UI here. So if you click on new UI, now there is only one stop place where you can post your question, and the CurieTech AI in the backend decides like which agent it has to use, and it will do all the work that is required for you. All right, you don't have to decide like which agent you need to choose. So this has become more simpler and smarter now to identify your prompt. So it will process your prompt, and it will route to respective agent and give the appropriate response. So this is so cool. So it's one of the much needed feature for developing stuff. And yep, and you can always like switch back to the old UI if you want. So there are two versions, like new UI and old UIs. And let me go to the new UI. Okay, I have done some tasks, so let me show you. I'll show you like how smarter it is. And if I go to the task here, if you click on see details, you have all these details here. But let me close. What I'll do is like I will click on the view task over here. You can check the conversation that happened between myself and the agent. All right, I just told like, hey, create a new app where I can sync data from Salesforce to Snowflake, include all the best practices like logging and error handling. It's very simple. Like I gave just one statement without any details. But here you can see like CurieTech AI is smart enough to ask few questions before it generates an app. What it is? So it was asking like, CurieTech AI is behaving like an architect or solution architect. Like it is asking like, what are your integration requirements? Is it like data synchronization type? Like is it like one way, or is it like a real time or a scheduled batch one? And when it comes to Snowflake configuration, what are the target table names in the Snowflake, and what is the type of authentication method? Earlier, when we asked to create some similar kind of app, it used to generate a basic app with all the things that it understood. But now it is asking you the questions to get more details on what your exact requirement is. So this is so cool, which I like, because sometimes as an architect also, like we might forget like few points, but here it helps you to consider all the requirements. So it says like which authentication you want, what are the database schema, warehouse names, and syncing strategy. Is it like a full sync, or you want a incremental sync, and how often do you want to sync? So all these details we might miss during designing an application, but all these are like very important. And it also has like technical preferences, like do you want to use 4.6 and above, and do you want the application to be like Java 17 supported, and how many VMRs, or like is there any like memory requirements and everything. What they are going to include is like the latest connectors with the versions they were saying. So all this information is being provided to us. And I just said like it is asking like which kind of an object you wanted to use from Salesforce. I just like gave like account object. Again, they have all these questions asked. Then you provide more details, and it says like, would you like me to create the new integration task with defaults of, like, if I'm not providing any inputs, it is saying like, hey, I will create all the defaults. Do you want to go ahead and create it? So I said like, yes, go ahead and create it. Then the task has been created successfully. So I'll just show you like, so there is no app right now. I'll close all the tabs over here, and let me apply the changes. This is like task 2 of I think 24201. So click on apply changes. So you can see like a new project is created here. And the other difference that you see here is like the task name, right? So if you see the chats, you have like chat name. There is like, it has created a chat name. So you can identify that particular task by seeing this, matching this name. All right. And yep, the application has been created. If I open my project, you can see again like the project name would be like with numeric ones, like a GUID ones, but they are going to change soon, where you can request the name of the project. If I go here, if I open the flow, you can see like the flow, my flow has been created with all best practices. You can see like try, error handling, until successful, everything. Everything has been created for me. Like you can see like all the best practices, like until successful, then storing the watermarks in the object store, everything has been created. If you go ahead and see like source main resources, and if you go it has created all environment based property files here. You can see everything has been created, including the cron scheduler, right? See how much of effort of a developer has been reduced here. I feel like almost 80 to 90% of work has been created, just except that like all the passwords that you wanted to encrypt and you don't want to share it, you will be doing that. But otherwise you can see like everything is created for you. One more best thing, because I asked for best practices, it has already created the munit test cases for you. You can see all the munit test cases were created. So that amount of time that it took was like about like 15 minutes, but I feel like the request that you asked to create is like to synchronize the data between Salesforce to Snowflake with all the best practices. This has been created in like within 15 minutes, which is like super cool, which we usually take like a sprint, like a week or 2 weeks to complete our development. So I felt like this is a super cool feature, like one stop place to ask you a question. You click on here the new UI, you don't have to choose which agent you want. You don't have, like there's no confusion in that. You put your question. For example, if you want to say, hey, I wanted to, you can see, you can also select the repository here. Okay, you can select which, or you can upload the repos here. All right, and you can ask like, hey, please review my code and see like what best practices I need to follow. So it's basically like a code scanner, right? So you can do all those stuff. Additionally, you have the options like to choose like whether it's like code or like if it is a test one. This is not mandatory, but if you want to choose, you can always choose, and you can put your request and submit the task. So this is another super cool feature. Like if you click on code, and if you want to go to data wave generator, it will give you all these things. Never mind, even if you are not choosing one of these options, you can put your data view question, or you can put your like code review question. Anything will be handled. And again, another this thing is like you can always go back to your old UI. If you have got habituated with the old UI, it is still available, and those tasks are available both in both the UIs. All right, so I felt this as a super cool feature, and I would request you guys to try it out. Like how to try it out. You can sign up for free. You have some free credits to use. And if you want to use the CurieTech AI Anypoint Studio plugin, just click on explore now. And well, just go through this. You can just join the Slack community so that you will know how to install your plugin for Anypoint Studio. So this is super cool. I would like you guys to try it out and provide any feedback in our comments. I will try to take that feedback to the relevant team. I hope you like this video, and we will see like more fun activities with CurieTech AI from MuleSoft. Thank you.